We have a lot of water today because of heavy downfall for the past 12 hours. It's about more than 200 millimeters. That's more than 20 centimeters precipitation. The river here is amazing with a lot of water. It's swarming, brimming to the rims. So it's fantastic. Many people used to go fishing at the side, but now it's overflowed with water. We see old people, old person crossing the bridge. So this is Dogongmyeon, Hwasun County. It's a fantastic. There's the hospice hospital for the elderlies, and there's the village where rich people live, very rich.